Hey friends, this is Rochelle from Caliente Springs, and today I'm going to give you a video tour of home 329. So this home is just a couple streets over from the clubhouse, which is sort of the hub of the resort, and I'm excited to show you the inside. But first, I'll flip the camera around and give you a better view of the outside. Here's a view of the outside of the home. It's a dark gray with white trim. It makes it look very crisp and neat. There is a side yard back here that would be perfect for maybe a barbecue area or seating area. Here's a view of the living room. There are quite a few windows in here. So windows in the front, there's a glass sliding door over to the right. To the left, we've got some windows up top. You'll also notice that there is a mini split. So there's an air conditioning unit here in the living room and then also in the back bedroom. Makes it easy to control the temperature in here. The kitchen has white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, as well as an upgraded farm sink. The floor in here is a dark color. It's got a little bit of a gray sheen to it. The appliances in this home are beautiful. They're upgraded. So let me just give you a quick peek in here. Here's a better shot of the range. The microwave is quite large. Here's the upgraded farm sink. Coming down the hallway, there is a spot to our left here for a washer dryer hookup. And we also have some built-in storage. There are a couple of highlights here in the bathroom. The sink is square. There is a medicine cabinet that opens up. And I'm also going to show you the shower head because it looks amazing. The shower head is nice and tall. It's also flat so that water falls directly down on you. The bedroom has built-in drawers as well as a built-in closet. And behind me on the wall is the other part of the mini split. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about this home or the other homes we have here at Caliente Springs, please reach out to us, give us a call. We're also available on our website or via email.